So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to send file or videos from your Windows PC to your iPhone. So the step are so simple to follow. First of all, now just go ahead and open up your iPhone. So after you open up your iPhone like this, now all you have to do now, go ahead and find this. As you can see now, go to settings of your iPhone. In the setting of your iPhone now, go and search for photos. As you can see now, here is now, open these photos. After you open the photos, now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, make sure you change this one. As you can see now, it's already automatic, so change it this. As you can see now, keep original, this one, keep it original, this one. So now close the settings. Now here is my USB and it's connected to my PC. So now I'll just plug in my USB like this. After you plug in your USB, as you can see now, here is the my iPhone on my PC, and here is it now on my iPhone. Tap on this allow button on your iPhone. After you tap on this allow button, now go ahead and open this PC on your Windows. So as you can see now, here is it now, open it again. So now here is my storage of my iPhone. So now if you want to send a file from your PC to your iPhone, all you have to do now, just go ahead and copy the file and paste it in this section. Let's say now I want to just add like this video. As you can see now, this picture, I want to add this picture. I'll just copy the picture like this and drag it and just put it inside a folder. I'll use this folder, this one. So as you can see now, I added this picture to this folder using USB to my iPhone. That's it guys on how to send file from Windows to iPhone, or how to copy files from Windows to iPhone using USB. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.